Good evening everyone, my name is Bhushan Gaware and our today's topic is cell. Biological cells are the fundamental units of the life and the basic building blocks of the living organisms. Here are some key points about the biological cell. The first point is types of cell. The first type is a prokaryotic cell, simple smaller cell without a nucleus is known as prokaryotic cell. It is present in bacteria. Second one, eukaryotic cell, more complex cell with the different nucleus and organelles. Example, animal cell, plant cell, fungi, and next point is cell structure. First one is cell membrane, a simple permeable barrier that surrounded the cell, controlling what enters and what exits. Second point is cytoplasm, a jelly-like structure where cell components are suspended and various chemical reactions take place. Third point is nucleus, contains the cell DNA and control the cell activities such as growth and reproduction. Next point is ribosome, organelles responsible for the protein synthesis. Uh, Next point is mitochondria, powerhouse of the cell that produce energy in the form of ATP through the cellular respiration. Next point is endoplasmic reticulum, a network of membrane involved in protein and lipid synthesis. ER has a ribosome, smooth ER does not. Golgi apparatus, modified short and packaged proteins and lipids for delivery inside or outside the cell. Next point is lysosomes, contain enzyme to digest waste material and cellular debris. Next point is cytoskeleton, a network of fiber that maintain the cell shape and facilities and movement. Third point is genetic material, DNA, contains the instruction of cellular process and housed in the nucleus in eukaryotic cell and it cytoplasm in prokaryotic cell. Next point is chromosome. Chromosomes are structure that organize DNA with the nucleus. Four main type is fourth point is cell division. In cell division, mitosis is a process by which somatic cell divided, producing two intellectual daughter cell. Meiosis, a special type of division that reduces the chromosome number by half, creating gametes, for example, sperm and egg cell. Fifth point is energy production. Photosynthesis in plant cell, process by which cell use sunlight to synthesize food, glucose from the carbon dioxide and water. Cellular respiration, the process which by cell convert glucose and oxygen into the ATP, and ATP means energy, water and carbon dioxide. Sixth point is cell membrane. Transport, it known as transport. First one is active passive transport, movement of substance across the cell membrane without the energy input. For example, diffusion of homeostasis. Active transport, movement of substance against their concentration gradient, required energy, for example sodium potassium pump. 7. Specialized cell, different type of cell have a specialized function. For example, red blood cells are transport oxygen, muscle cell and enable to movement, and a nerve cell transmit signal. The eighth point is cell communication. Cells communicate through the chemical signal and receptor to coordinate functions such as the immune response or during development. The ninth point is cell size and shape. Cells come in a various shape and size, often related to their function. For example, nerve cells are the long and branched to the transmit signal, while skin cells are flat to protect the skin. 10th point is cell differentiation. During development, cell becomes specialized in function through the differentiation. Here, stem cell give rise to various type of specialized cell, and these are just some of the aspects fundamental aspects and biological cells, and each points can be explored greater details depending on our interest.